We are the manufacturer of chamfering and deburring machines, and especially transmission parts from automotive industries like this, gears, actually any applications from automotive and construction machineries. This stylus plate just follows any shape on outer diameter, so you don't need to make any programs or anything. Some customers don't like the finished quality after cutting with this carbide end mill. In that case, this machine also has a brush unit as an option, and it's made of nylon. We can make a machine which is completely automated with a gantry loader and system, and in and out conveyor. With Weber gear, we have option to make a automated inclination with cutting angle. We don't just provide a machine, we provide solutions.